How to see Naruto Shippuden in English dub. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can see or watch Naruto Shippuden in either English dubbed or English subbed. Now it's quite simple and easy. There are various official websites that offers you to watch the anime Naruto Shippuden. The first is, of course, you can watch it through Netflix. Netflix has Naruto Shippuden available in its list, so you can go ahead and download Netflix, sign up to the account, and you can simply go ahead and stream on it on either subtitle or the dubbed version. Similarly, what you can do is you can go ahead and you can head into Crunchyroll. You can either download the Crunchyroll application or you can do so on the Crunchyroll website. So Crunchyroll is this, and this is the official one. All you have to do is head into it. You're gonna sign up real quick, it's free, and you can go ahead and stream Naruto Shippuden for free. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.